Hi guys, now we are going to see how to open Jupyter Notebook files without installing Jupyter Notebook in your machine. Previously, I have shown you how to open Jupyter Notebook files once after installation of Jupyter Notebook. So it will go to the local host and from the local machine it will open the files which are present. Now without any installing any any softwares, I am going to show you how to open Jupyter Notebook files. For this, open the browser and access your Azure Notes account. Azure Notebook account. So for accessing Azure Notebook, you just need your Microsoft account. Once after successful login of your account, it will show the projects which are present for you. So for accessing the Jupyter Notebook files, you need to create one new project. So I'm going to create one project over here. So just give the name for your project. I will give it as project 1. So it is your choice if you want to initialize the project with readme file. As it is not mandatory, I am taking out this option, and this is public. If you want to share your project with any other people, so you can mark this option, or else if you want it as a personal project, you can unmark this. So I'm keeping it as public and creating a new project. So once your project has been created, it will open this project file which has been created. There you can see all the options over there. So you can see how many guys have cloned your project and how many given has star rating for you, and what is the status. Is it in running or stopped? And you can see the project settings over here, where you can change the public projects and hide clones, all, and even you can do this environment setup using this project settings. And you can even download the project information which is present, and you can share the project link with other people who want to access your project. So for accessing the complete Jupyter Notebook files, first I need to upload the Jupyter Notebook which has been notebook files which has been downloaded in local machine to the project folder which is present in Notebooks Azure. So I am importing those files from my computer. So you can choose your files over here. So go to the location where your file is present. So I'm going to Jupyter Notebook module, as PDFs are not required for Jupyter notebook files, and even we can read the PDFs from your local machine. I'm not going to upload any PDFs into this Azure notebooks. So I am only importing the files which are required for my Jupyter notebook. I'm selecting all these files, and I'm not selecting this folder because I'm gonna create the same level of folder in my project. I will show you how to do that. So I am only selecting the two files which are my Python scripts, the final quiz and module 1. So I'm going to choose this file, just upload. It's done. Then I'm going to create one folder just to take my all my project py files which are present in the other folder. So for creating of a folder, we need to go to plus tab and click on folder. We need to give the same name which is present in the local local machine, and just press enter. So it will create one folder for you, and just open that folder and upload all the files which are present in that folder from the local machine. So I'm going to, from the computer, choose files, py files, and selecting all the files and choosing over here, upload. And the same hierarchy we need to do for all the folders which are present even under the py files. So we need to do the same thing for images, we need to do the same thing for final quiz grader and py cache memory cache. So I have done this in In the other project which is present in my projects, that is test new, I have done everything, and it is running. So I can demonstrate showing you this. So I have done everything over here. So all the files has been uploaded in this folder and it is in running state. So just for running your project, just click on this one and you can run your project with the files which are present. So you can see new IPNYB and nano mode is running in this. So go to the files and just access your nano mode one. You can see the progress which is happening over here, and once everything seems to be loaded, just go on with your module. Just plus run this one, run this one. We got a quiz module over here. See, it is showing like rendering. Just press run. See, quiz got automatically populated without any issues. Proceed with this one. Just run this one. Everything was similar to the Jupyter notes when we have opened it from our local mission. So everything seems to be fine. You can access all the exercises and modules over here. That's it. Once you are done with the complete accessing the complete file, you can close this one and go to the running notes and shut down your project. By this way, you can access all the files, which all the Jupyter notebook files which are present in your local machine without installing Python or Jupyter notebook in your machine. Thank you.